Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce Sri Lankan style, easy method. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring your spices so the cooking flows smoothly and nothing gets overpowered. I'll guide you through toasting spices, layering flavors, and adjusting heat so the sauce finishes glossy and balanced for grilling or dipping. In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce Sri Lankan style, easy method. Measure your tamarind, coconut vinegar, jaggery, chili flakes, and toasted spices before you start so cooking stays uninterrupted. I'll explain substitutions, spice ratios, and how to balance sweet, sour, and heat so you can customize for milder or hotter preferences. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It plays music, sets timers, and keeps hands-free recipes handy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce Sri Lankan style, easy method. Begin by toasting spices, then sauté aromatics and add liquids, simmering slowly to concentrate flavors and thicken naturally. I'll show texture tests, cooling tips, and storage advice so your sauce stays vibrant and ready for grilling, dipping, or glazing meats and vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.